Celebrate Valentine's with Jesus kind of love. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapit pandasal muna tayo. Tuwing Valentine's weekend, grabe na ang traffic dahil sa mga nagde-date at kumakain sa labas para mag-celebrate. We celebrate it with chocolates, flowers, dinner dates. Valentine's Day traces back to Saint Valentine, a priest martyred in Rome around 269 AD for secretly performing Christian marriages when Emperor Claudius banned them. Later in medieval times, his feast day became associated with romance, which we continue to celebrate today. But here's what we often miss: Saint Valentine died for love, not the kilig kind, but the lay down your life kind. The romantic love we celebrate on Valentine's is beautiful. It's God given, but it's also limited, conditional, and sometimes selfish. We love because someone makes us happy and meets our needs. Pag nawala na yung kilig, pag dumating na ang hirap, nanghihina na ang pag-ibig natin. But Jesus' love is agape love. It's sacrificial, unconditional, undeserved. He loved us while we were still sinners and loved us enough to die on a cross. So this Valentine's, instead of just celebrating romantic feelings, let's learn from Christ's love. Let's choose to serve when we don't feel like it. Let's forgive even when it hurts. Let's stay when leaving seems easier. Let's love, not because we feel good, but because love is a sacred commitment. When we receive Christ's agape love and allow it to transform our human love, that's when our flawed earthly love becomes holy. Tayo magdasal. Jesus, teach me to love the way you do, unconditional, selfless, and not looking for anything in return. Amen.